It's that time of the month again. It's Scrawlr box time. Welcome to a Kooky corner of YouTube. And today we're going to open the box and see what we got. Right, let's give it a flipperoo. Oh, shaky, shaky, rattle, rattle. This table's very shaky. I apologise. Yeah. Okay. Flip it back. I'm excited because it's the number 100 box. 100! Yeah! Okay. Right, let's get everything out of the box. Heck, there's quite a bit of stuff here. For anybody who's not in the know, Scrawlr box is a monthly subscription, a monthly art subscription box, whereby you get a whole load of mystery art supplies sent to you every month, and you don't know what's going to be inside the box until you get it. So it is a complete mystery. Oh, exciting! So, what do we look at first? Oh, we certainly don't look at this. It goes there. I don't even want to look at the artist print yet. Come on, let's go into the materials. Oh, we got a chocolate coin for Christmas. Yes, I'm up for that. That is a gold Signo pen. Ooh. Aha! Oh! That's obviously part of the print. Oh my gosh! Oh, I see. We have a Scrawlr pin, but it's all in gold. 100. There it is, the 100. Can't get it back in there. Derwent. What Derwent is it? Tinted charcoal paint pan set. Ah, interesting. I haven't got this. Okay, so we've got dark moss, forest pine, driftwood, mountain blue, ocean deep, thistle, glowing embers, burnt earth, natural dark, and white. Ooh. Okay. And then we have some A6 watercolour postcards in a really nice little booklet there of 10 pieces, GSM. Perfect, lovely. And this is the featured artist of the month, who is Clarissa Grandi. Ooh, geometric motifs. Interesting. This is a geometric artist, author, and teacher. Those are our social bits at the bottom there. Very cool. So, tinted charcoal it is. So, charcoal paints, you do not have to touch. I like that. Apply water and paint away for a textured matte finish. This is the exclusive pin, only for subscribers. The golden pen. We got a nice sweet treat. And we got the postcards, which they do feel very high quality, I have to say. The artist Clarissa Grandi. So I'm going to read about this. I'm going to grab a coffee and have a little read about her. So it's a little interview. Scrawlr tips, things that you can do with the supplies. Artist advice. Okay, interesting, because she's a geometric artist, so interesting to read through that for sure. Scrawlr gallery. Let's see if I know any names. No, I am not. I am not knowing any names. I can't see anybody there that I recognize the name. Oh, I do. Carmel. Yes, Carmel. Well done. And that is a stunning piece. Absolutely beautiful. Carmel, well done. That is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy to see you there. Top three. So we've got Mel Fallon, Lily Heidi, and Rachel Rimmer, all with beautiful pieces there. And geometry rules. So our Scrawlr challenge is to tessellate. Ooh, interesting. I'm going to have a think about this one. Sit down with a drink and have a think. My instinct is to snuggle up with this and have a read, so I think I'm going to do that now. So that's the things that we got in the box this month. And I'm away to have a read now. So I'll be back here again with something else made with some of these things. Bye for now.